Guys, this is Spencer with Hush Holsters again. I'm going to show you how to put a AK magazine SKS, either the SKS M or SKS D, into our SKS 2000 wood or nylon folding stock or Picatinny rail. So the first thing you're going to do is take your gun, make sure there's no magazine, ask it very nicely if it's unloaded. Are you unloaded? The answer is yes. Just going to check the chamber. For SKSs, you're going to have to put it on safety to disassemble anything. Then the way I like to do it is use a non-marring tool, but this is what I have right here. Push that button in and lift up. Sometimes you have to smack the stock at the same time. This is not the right stock for this, so it's a little tough to get out. But I'm going to remove the stock and the trigger group from your old wooden stock. Then you're going to take your SKS. You're going to put our wood folding stock or nylon here. You're going to take this pin, place it into the channel in the rear, and then put it on just like any other stock. The pin is to make sure that it doesn't move forward in the stock. That's completed. I'm going to flip it over, take your trigger group, install it as it was in the previous. This one's a little different. You're going to take your steel AK grip adapter, put it on the rear here, drop it down. This is a little bit of a bendy table. You're just going to smack it in. You shouldn't need much more than hand force to do that. Take your AK grip, screw it in. And there you have it. This version right here, this AK, is compatible with AK-47 magazines. We are not compatible with drum magazines, but any AK mag will fit. This is specifically for the SKS M and D. This is the paratroop version. To actuate the stock, open it up. That's all she wrote. Thanks so much for watching.